Hello, today we are going to make a nice and easy do-it-yourself invitation. We are going to use Greetings Island. To log in, you may use the following: Google, Facebook, Apple, or any email account. Then you may choose any of the following. You can add photo from your computer or from Facebook. You can change the font color, and font size. Now you can print your design. Nice and easy. Until next time!